Hello and welcome back to the Four Horsemen. My name is Paul, along with my friends Andrew from Maple Leaf Customs, Tom from Spork Syndicate, and Skip from Crossroad Diecast Speed Shop make up the Four Horsemen. And of course my channel from Diecast Graveyard. Today is the day that Mattel released the Sweet 16 Hot Wheels for the first time in 1968. This was a great day for all of us, and I know when I was a kid, I couldn't wait to get a bunch of Hot Wheels. But today's theme is to restore a Redline or to build a Redline out of an existing car. We're going to have a lot of fun. So what I used today was this 55 Chevy Nomad. Now, even though this 55 Nomad is not an original Sweet 16 car, it is still a Redline, and we're going to restore it to its former glory. I'm going to change the color on it because I've always wanted a hot pink 55 Nomad for whatever reason, but we're going to have a lot of fun. Now, the other thing I want to tell you, make sure you get out and you see all of the builds for the National Redline Day. And there's a lot of them out there. Just do a searching for hashtag 4 Horsemen Diecast, and it'll bring you to all kinds of different videos. So let's get started. Sit back, grab your favorite adult beverage. Let's join in, have some fun, watch this restoration, and enjoy the 4 Horsemen videos. And don't forget to participate yourself. Let's move on with today's restoration.
It's time to start the autopsy.
Let's tear the car apart. I've already drilled out the post, and there's only one in the front. There's actually a little clip in the back. This car is really super dirty. We got little spider webs in there, and it is just really nasty. So we're going to do our best to clean that up. The hood works, it's not broken, that's cool, and the roof isn't bent. Here's the base. Got a lot of cleaning to do there. We'll have to replace those cap style wheels. And here's the interior, and that needs to be cleaned up really good too. Let's move on.
I love how the moonlight shines over the mausoleum.
Here we got the body, and we're going to put it in the citrus strip. Usually the old Redline paint comes off pretty easy. So get something, give it a good coat, and set it on something for when you're done. And let it set. Now I like to put mine out in the open unless I've got a bunch of other stuff I'm working on. Get it coated really good, but wipe off the excess. I mean, all you're going to do is waste it. Just get a good coat on everything inside and out and wipe away all that excess. There you go, just like that. We'll set that on a little lid for these containers. And we'll get back to it.
Meanwhile, back in the graveyard.
Got it all cleaned up. I polished it up and cleaned it off and scrubbed it with degreaser. Here I've got some hot pink paint from the Redline shop. After spraying it, now we're going to do the base. It's pretty tarnished, so we're going to have to get in there and do some cleaning, some polishing, and some scrubbing. The axles and stuff, they're not in too bad a shape. We just got to be careful when we're buffing and polishing on this thing that we're not going to strip it down. We got some new wheels, got some large meats for the back and some mediums for the front. Cap style wheels only come in 2 sizes, medium and large. Put your razor knife along the little lip on the tire, push it down as you roll it, and then give it a twist and that wheel should pop right off. Sometimes they're a little bit persnickety, but they work eventually. Come on, you. If you're getting anything out of these videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, mash that like button. It helps me produce content for you. And don't forget to subscribe. I mean, that's the most important thing. It doesn't cost anything, and you'll be alerted to any future videos that come out. Also, subscribe to any of the other Four Horsemen members, Andrew and Tom and Skip, but also the people that participate in these builds. And we do a recap of every single video. That's looking pretty good. I tried to cut out a lot of the unnecessary stuff here. Here's the base. I'm sorry, the body. That looked great. Here's the base all cleaned up. Got the grill painted in. The bottom polished up. We got brand new tires. The interior is cleaned up, and we cleaned up as best we could the windshield. Let's put everything together and give my creation life.
Lies! Lies! Do you hear me? Give my creation life!
And here's what we started with. This 55 Nomad. And there were several versions of this that came out later on, but this was the original. It's got the opening hood, and it's beautiful. Plus it's Inspector Flame paint, which is incredibly important. We tore the car down. We repainted it after we stripped all the old paint off. We polished it up, repainted it. I gave it a good old coat with my Diecast Graveyard 2K Clear. And while we're there, make sure you check out my website at diecastgraveyard.com. I've got a whole slew of decals for you and your customizing. Now, if you need decals, and if you see them for a gasser, I can put them on a truck, I can put them on a Camaro, etc. It's up to you. Just send me a note and let me know. Again, that's diecastgraveyard.com. Check it out. I've got new stuff going up every day. What a beautiful car. This is going to be a lot of fun. And this is what we got to. Look how nice that turned out. We got that beautiful hot pink paint from the Redline shop. We got the wheels also from the Redline shop. I definitely would rather have something like this in my collection than something that's all old and nasty and dirty. And the results here speak for themselves. Make sure you go to Four Horsemen Diecast on the YouTube channel and subscribe, because we're going to have the recap videos there. Please check that out. It's an incredible time, and I hope you decide to participate. You don't have to have a multimedia channel, YouTube or Facebook or anything like that. Just join in. Join in, have some fun. If you got questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask. It's all about the fun, and we would love to promote your channel too. So make sure that you subscribe to the channels. We'll get you in a recap video, and we'll get you all taken care of. The end of this month, the theme is military, and the schedule is on the Four Horsemen Diecast YouTube page. So check it out. You'll know what the build, what the theme is going to be, etc. And we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you, and cheers.